The helpers workshop is for the helpers to be able to learn more on how to handle children that they are taking care of.
Today is very nice because I learned more patience to taking care of kid and connection with the kid, how they're feeling, and you should level your feeling with the kid and just give the kid more time to calm down.
Especially at home, maybe for the better future, they can approach other kids also how to handle their relationship, how to handle their tantrum and everything.
So through this workshop, I expect that between the children and the helpers, there won't be any power struggles. They will know it will be reduced because they would know how to treat each other with respect, and they will know how to communicate with each other.